This video will show you how to reconnect your Garmin device to your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad. First, you will need to remove your Garmin device from your Apple device's Bluetooth settings. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Select Bluetooth. Locate your Garmin device and select the information icon. Select Forget this device. Now select Forget device. Scroll to the top of the Bluetooth device list and toggle Bluetooth off. After a few moments, re-enable Bluetooth. Now, power down your Garmin device and your compatible Apple device. Then, power them both back on. If you have an Edge cycling computer, you will also need to forget your Apple device from your Edge. First, access the menu on your Edge device. Select Connected Features. Then, select Phone. Select your phone if it is listed. Then, select Forget Phone, or the green check mark. Select Confirm if needed. Open your Apple device settings to verify your Garmin device is no longer in your smartphone's Bluetooth menu. If your Garmin device is still listed, you will need to uninstall all Garmin apps on your compatible Apple product. This includes the Garmin Connect, Garmin Messenger, Garmin Explore, Garmin Golf, Garmin Connect IQ, and Garmin Junior apps. Once all Garmin applications are uninstalled, restart your Garmin and Apple device. Now reinstall only the Garmin Connect smartphone application. You can only reinstall the other Garmin apps to your Apple device once your Garmin device is paired to Garmin Connect. Next, put your Garmin device into pairing mode. We will show the typical steps for a Garmin smartwatch. Refer to your owner's manual for your specific Garmin device's pairing steps. Begin by opening the menu on your Garmin watch. Scroll down and select Watch Settings. Then scroll down and select Connectivity. Select either phone or Bluetooth. Depending on your device, select either Pair, Pair Mobile Device, or Pair Phone. Your device will indicate it is in pairing mode with an image, QR code, or text. Now open the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Then log into your Garmin Connect account. Garmin Connect will begin searching for any nearby devices. If your Garmin device has left pairing mode, you will need to re-enable it. Select More once logged in. Scroll down and select Garmin devices. Select Add Device. Select Find Nearby Accessories. Select Set Up once your device is found. Confirm the 6-digit code displayed on your watch matches the code in the Garmin Connect app. Finally, select Done. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup of your device. A sync will occur during this process. Your Garmin device will display a green dot on the home page of the Garmin Connect app. This indicates a connection with your mobile device. Follow the pairing mode steps to add additional Garmin devices. If your Garmin device is not found or failed to pair, open the settings on your Apple device. Scroll down to the bottom and select Apps. Scroll down and select Connect. Select Accessories. If needed, select your device. Then select Forget this device, followed by Forget device. If your Garmin device is not found or failed to pair, you may need to update your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad. Then, reattempt to pair your Garmin device. This process is covered in the Pairing Mode chapter of this video. And that's it. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.